Right, let's have a go at this one then. This looks pretty horrendous here. We've got an e to the 2x over this e to the 2x minus e to the minus 2x indeed. I'm very inclined to simplify this before we even start trying to differentiate this by times in top and bottom by e to the minus 2x. So basically I'm just times in by 1. So I'm going to do an e to the minus 2x there on the top, and then if I want to times it on the bottom as well, I need to put a bracket, don't I? And I have to put that. So I'm only timesing by 1. I'm not changing the actual thing. So let's just see what we get now. We'll get 1 on the top, because times you add the powers, and minus 2x plus 2x is 0, and anything to 0 is 1. So that's nice on the top. And underneath, if I run this through this bracket here, that again will be 1. Minus, and then you add the powers, you get minus 2x and minus 2x will add up to minus 4x, won't it? So that looks a lot better now. So now we'll proceed with the differentiation of the quotient with this now simplified form. So u equals 1, v equals 1 minus e to the minus 4x. Great. There we are. Should be not too bad now, shouldn't it? So du dx, what do we get? 0. The v dx, so we don't even need to use a quotient rule really. We could use a function rule, of course, couldn't we? Let's just proceed with the quotient rule since the question asked us to do that. The v dx equals, that goes to 0, that comes down to make a plus, well, e to the something differential e to the something, multiplied by the something differentiated, which will be the minus 4, which is plus 4. Okay then, so dy dx then, let's see what we get. V, more than one term, put a bracket, du dx times 0 is 0 anyway, minus u times the v dx. 4 e to the minus 4x over v squared e to the minus 4x bracket, that object, more than one term, put a bracket, square. So you end up with then, let's just tidy it up, and we could have used a function rule, minus 4 e to the minus 4x over 1 minus e to the minus 4x bracket squared. There we go. That's number 20 done. Good. You could have noticed that that was just a power 1 moved up to top power minus 1 function rule. But the quotient rule still works because you can use the rule, it's the same thing, and it'll turn out with the same answer. Okay then, so that's that one done. That's 20. Let's move on to the next one. Great.